What are some cheap ways to have a baby?
Usually, beer and pizza for college students. Or wine and Chinese takeout.
I said have a baby, not make one. We already did that.
Congratulations. I suppose claiming to be an illegal immigrant so that the baby is paid for by Medicaid isn't practical.
We're not going to say we're illegal immigrants.
You could have a midwife come to the house and deliver it at home.
Cheap, yes. Reasonable, no.
You could go to a birthing center. You'd be taken care of by a midwife, and you could be evacuated to a hospital if there are complications.
How much does that cost?
Having a baby at a hospital can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000. If there are complications, you could hit $80K or more.
But birthing centers are cheaper.
They'll typically deliver a baby for less than $5K. And you might be able to negotiate the bill.
What if I have to go to the hospital?
If you pay cash, you could pay less than the cost it would be with insurance.
I can't pay cash for childbirth.
You could also set up a payment plan. They'll cut down the price if you can negotiate.
Like what? Do I pay less if I skip an epidural or bring my own towels?
If you share a maternity room instead of a private suite, you'll pay less.
Why did you bring up government benefits?
In some places, half of all babies are born on Medicaid. It's cheaper for you, but only because the rest of us foot the bill.
What about Obamacare? Those health plans are required to have maternity coverage.
Yes, they have to have maternity coverage. But you may end up paying $1,000 a month or 10% of your income for a plan with a $10K deductible.
A $10K deductible is enough to cover no complication delivery.
Yeah, to pay that much for insurance and then have to pay that much for a deductible, it's enough to give you a heart attack.
Or put you in early labor.
If you want the really cheap way, have hubby deliver it on the side of the road and show up at the hospital with the baby in tow.
Well, I want the world to know about the baby when he's born. The evening news isn't how we want to spread the word.